Hi guys, a very warm welcome to BodyProCoach Nutrition. This is Maahek Nair. Thank you so much for being with me on my videos. It is lovely to see you all every time. First we take a bowl. In a bowl I have taken 4 whole eggs. To that I'm going to now whisk them nicely. So I'm using a hand blender and I'm going to whisk it and make it into nice and fluffy, like a froth. So you're going to try and mix it nicely, and you'll see that the egg becomes slightly light white in color and becomes fluffy. If you have a hand blender like I do have, it becomes really easy. Or else you could also use a hand whisker. Whisk this for about 3 to 4 minutes so that it's nice, fluffy, and all the way comes up. So basically the eggs will double up. And now it's done. So you can see the texture. There you go. It's a very nice, even and creamy texture. To this I'm going to add vanilla essence. That's about 1 tablespoon, and I'm going to whisk it once again just for about 20 to 30 seconds. Now I'm going to add melted butter to this. Now here I'm taking almond flour. I'm going to put it into another bowl. To that I'm going to add desiccated coconut, baking powder, some cinnamon powder, a pinch of salt, and mix it evenly. Now I'm going to add this mixture to the beaten eggs. And now we're going to evenly once again mix the whole thing. That's the flour and our eggs until a smooth paste is formed. Lastly, I'm going to add butter to it, so that 1:1 ratio. That means I've taken half salted butter and half unsalted butter. If you're adding salt from top, that's about half a teaspoon, then you have to go in only for unsalted butter. But as I didn't add salt, I've taken half and half ratio. That's salted and unsalted both. There's cinnamon powder, what I've drizzled on top, and here I have some chopped almonds and walnut. I'm going to mix the same. Now it is evenly mixed and it's ready to go into the oven. So we're going to take a mold. I've already greased the mold with some oil, and to that mold I'm going to add my cake mixture. There you go. Yeah. And now once this is completely done, I'm going to add chopped almonds and walnuts from top. So that's some chopped almonds and walnuts, so that it's nice and crunchy, and it gives you a very nice nutty flavor. There you go, and it's done. Now it's ready to go into the oven. I've already preheated the oven. Now I'm going to put the cake on 160 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. So our flourless sugar-free keto cake is ready. Wow, it looks
Beautiful. Okay, now I'm gonna cut this into. This cake is extremely nutritious because it's extremely low in carbohydrate. It's loaded with healthy fats and it's gluten-free. At the same time, it gives you good amount of protein also. So subscribe, hit that bell button so that you get intimation of all our videos. Request you to also please share the channel with as many friends and people as possible. Thank you so much. I look forward to see you next time.